Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic that is related to us all. It's about how we can save Mother Earth by doing little things at our homes. We know we have already polluted the world, and it is time to take action before it is too late. In this video, we will tell you 7 easy ways to make your home completely plastic-free. These tips are really simple, and anyone can apply them to their homes. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Audit your use of plastic. You need to first know where the plastic comes in before you can work on reducing it. That's why it's necessary to make the kitchen plastic-free. Plastic wrap is a major contributor to plastic waste. Try beeswax. Wraps are made from cotton cloth coated with beeswax. They are available in different sizes. You can wrap them around containers or cover the entire containers. Collect plastic, paper, glass, and metal in separate dustbins. Small steps like these can have a great impact on the environment. As we all know, plastic pollution has become a serious threat to the environment. Oceans and landfills are full of plastic waste. Sea animals mistake plastic for food and eat them. As a result, they die. Plastic takes hundreds of years to degrade. It also does not break down either. Plastic waste lying around can make your house look dirty, so it's important to avoid plastic as much as possible. Clearly, label them and stick them in prominent corners of the house. If everyone does their bit, the world will be a better place to live. Now you know how to reduce plastic waste. Start right now. Every bit of plastic you avoid is a step in the right direction. Make sure your family members understand the importance of recycling. Also, do share your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you. Also, include a compost bin. Food scraps can be composted and used as manure for plants. You can make your own compost bin with a 5-gallon bucket. Just drill a few holes in it and your compost bin is ready. Educate your family on what should go into the recycling, compost, and landfill bins. This way, you will be able to reduce the amount of garbage that you produce. If you have a garbage disposal system, make sure you know how to use it properly. Some items, such as plastic bags, should not go into the garbage disposal system. They can be washed and reused. Beeswax wraps last up to a year if used and washed properly. Plastic bags are another huge problem. Replace them with glass or stainless steel containers to store food. To store dry food grains such as rice, dal roti, pasta, cereal, etc. Glass containers are the best option. Glass containers are reusable and do not contain any harmful chemicals. When it comes to liquids, stainless steel containers are the best. They are durable and can be used for storing leftovers. One thing you can do is replace paper towels with cloth towels. Cloth towels can be washed and reused. Paper towels contribute to deforestation and are not environmentally friendly. Find out which areas of your home needs attention. Is it the kitchen? Is it the bathroom? Is it grocery shopping? Or is it storing stuff? The bathroom is another area where plastic is widely used. Plastic toothbrushes and razors are common in every household. Try to use bamboo toothbrushes as they are 100% biodegradable. Also, there is a wide variety of shapes and sizes to choose from. Buy them in bulk to save money and keep a stock. Shampoo and body wash bottles are a common sight in most bathrooms. Shampoo bars and body wash. Bars are an excellent alternative to bottled shampoo and body wash. They are chemical-free and do not pollute the environment. Another alternative is to refill your old bottles. Most stores allow you to refill your containers, and many offer discounts too. In addition, install a water-saving shower head and faucet aerators. This will help in conserving water, and this in turn will help you reduce your water bill. Avoid prepackaged items. Buy products that come in paper or cardboard packaging. They also contribute to plastic waste. Try making your own cleaning sprays and scrubs. You will need white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, salt, essential oils, and spray bottles. White vinegar is a mild acid which makes it effective against dirt and grime. It is a cheap and easy alternative to window cleaners. Baking soda is a good cleanser and it can be used to clean sinks, tubs, toilets, and even microwaves. Lemon juice is acidic and works well as a cleaner and stain remover. It can also be used to remove hard water stains. Salt can be used as a scrub to clean. It is also a good deal. Essential oils such as tea tree, lavender, peppermint, etc. can be added to cleaning products for fragrance. They also have antibacterial properties. Buy glass spray bottles to store the cleaning liquids. Many people develop rashes and allergies because of the chemicals in plastic bottles, so it's best to use glass bottles. Always carry your cloth bags when you go shopping. This way you will not only reduce plastic, but also look trendy. Tell the fishmonger to fill your container. This way you will cut down on plastic bags and also avoid the hassle of carrying those plastic bags. At the checkout, place your fruits and veggies in a basket instead of plastic bags. You will feel better because you are doing something for Mother Earth. Make a list of problem areas so you can figure out what kind of plastic you are dealing with. For instance, is it plastic packaging, plastic bags, bottles, or disposable plasticware? Once you identify the type of plastic and its source, you can switch to more eco-friendly options and gradually eliminate the use of plastic. Tip number 2. Switch to plastic waste can be reduced by replacing disposables with replace plastic water bottles with stainless steel or glass ones. Carry a foldable shopping bag while you go out. Use glass milk containers to carry food. They are microwave and dishwasher safe. Invest in a good set of metal straws to use every time you drink anything. Avoid plastic cling film and aluminum foil by using glass containers or wax wraps. By switching to these, you are helping the environment and keeping yourself away from harmful chemicals in plastic. Tip 3. Shop smart and plastic free. When you go shopping, try to buy products that have less plastic in them. Tip number 4. Kitchen swaps for less plastic. The kitchen is probably the most used area of the house. Tip number 5. Bathroom eco swaps. Tip number 6. DIY cleaning products. Many of the cleaning products sold commercially contain harsh chemicals which are hazardous to health. Tip number 7. Recycling and composting station. Have a separate dustbin for recycling. These are some easy tips that can help you reduce plastic waste. As responsible citizens, we all need to take steps to save the environment. We hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the like button.